Hey guys, today I am going to talk about the court ordered mediation. So tomorrow I will be engaging with Kaceytron in court ordered mediation from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Therefore, there will be no show tomorrow, Monday, December 1st. It will be instead moved to Tuesday, December 2nd, the following day. Thank you, peace and love, peace and love. So court ordered mediation is normal. Every single court is going to ask you to try to mediate the problem. Again, like I said a few different times, courts do not want to make decisions. A judge would rather have you, plaintiff and defendant, come to a decision together. That way, these decisions cannot be overturned. It's not a mistake. A judge cannot be held, oh, you made a mistake, we have to appeal it. There is no chance of appeal if a plaintiff and defendant both agree to something. So that is what the court is hoping happens. What is the probability? Let me know in the comments below. Now on Ethan Klein, so we do cover both H-free leftovers, they read it, and we do cover H-free production. Ideally, they would cross over, and this is exactly what's happening right now. So here are some comments from some critics of Kaceytron. Kaceytron has used this to bring her name back to the public eye. She's definitely benefited a great deal from PR as well as from actual direct donations. She has raised $57,221 out of the $250,000 ask. She also raised another $5K plus in stream donations. I have no advice or agenda for Ethan. I'm just here to remind everyone of this. So in negotiations, one of the things Ethan's going to ask for is some money, right? Maybe there's an apology. Maybe there is multiple apologies of multiple people. I think he posted he wasn't settling with Kaceytron after she insulted Olivia on Twitter. You're right, I remember that. Kaceytron, for whatever she is, she's been very toxic towards the H-free. I mean, they just don't like her. And it's been continuous, I don't want to call it hatred, but disrespect from Kaceytron on Ethan. I would be shocked if Ethan settles. Now, we know Kaceytron has offered settlement before, and we know that this is court-ordered mediation. So even if you go into it and you don't feel like settling, so I recently in 2024, I had to go to court-ordered mediation. It sucked. We didn't want to settle. They didn't want to settle. Third party didn't want to settle. Typically speaking, these mediations don't work until like the very end before trial. And there's still so much left. And discovery, depositions. Don't think they've even done interrogatories right now. That there's still a long, long way to go. As much as I look forward to the show tomorrow, the lawsuit stuff is always so juicy, so I can't really complain. He's going to ask for all info on Snark to use against that lawsuit. He wants to bring him down, not exactly the individuals themselves. And here I would agree. If Kaceytron has any information on H-free Snark, and I believe she would. They reached out to me, and apparently they used a fake name, but it kind of looked like a real name to me. I don't know, I just got the impression that this might be the person's real first name. But anyway, it is, I wonder how many bags bong rips he can take between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Well, that explained why she dropped the video. She knew this was coming. Hi, Zach. Casey sacrificed her 20s to take care of our family. We had both our childhood homes foreclosed on and spent 10 years living with constant housing instability. Our mom, who is deaf, has been trapped with her abuser who stalked. So this is obviously Casey's sister. According to Casey, she is the matriarch. And like I said, none of this actually matters. It's simple copyright infringement. did she commit copyright infringement? I don't think a clear avenue of defense exists for her copyright infringement. Definitely, it's not fair use, in my opinion. I want to give a more personal update on how the lawsuit is affecting myself and her. Yeah, this dropped right before the settlement talk, probably to try to put some pressure on Ethan to settle. Oh, look at how poor Kaceytron is, and look how terrible her life has been. She's richer than you. Like like this, she can raise $50,000-$60,000. That's more than I can do. I'm actually a lawyer. I can't raise that amount of money in the time that Kaceytron has been able to. Like, think about like talents, right? Like what people get paid to do. She gets paid to cry, and it is very, very. I mean, props to her. It's a great talent to have, and so the framing. I would hate to see Ethan Klein settle with her because I don't think she deserves settlement. But the NVIDIA lawsuit may be more important to Ethan Klein than this lawsuit. Like I said, if he wants to come after H3 Snark, he's already kind of done so from Denon's side. Does he need Frogan's side? Does he need Kaceytron's side? I don't know. Kaceytron has been open to settle, and in fact, her settlement offer was very, very low. And I don't think she really understands the danger of the lawsuit. The danger of the lawsuit isn't the damages that can happen later. The danger of the lawsuit is the fact that your lawyers are expensive. Kaceytron has the most expensive lawyers out of any plaintiff or defendant. I believe her lawyers are more expensive than I actually know her lawyers are more expensive than Denon's, because she's using the same law firm as Denon's plus her own lawyer in Missouri. So she's double dipping, or the legal team is double dipping on the invoicing for billable hours. I know it's more expensive than the one Frogan has. The lawyer that Frogan has seems to be a one-person law firm or one lawyer law firm, and it's a very small-time lawyer, in my opinion. And then when you look at H3 Snark and what they have going on in their legal team, their lawyer didn't even go to law school. That's got to be some savings of money, right? And they're publishing hundreds, probably close to 1,000 pages of documents. So they're not really concerned about how much their lawyer costs. Kaceytron is actually in the weakest scenario because of how much her legal fees cost. I wouldn't be shocked if she went to negotiation and it was her Missouri lawyer, her Missouri lawyer's paralegal, multiple Los Angeles lawyers, their paralegals. Like, all those people are being paid per hour. This settlement is going to cost her a shit ton of money. From 8 to 4, she will have probably multiple attorneys, probably multiple paralegals, maybe some junior attorneys, and maybe some secretaries, everyone being paid. And if the Los Angeles attorneys have to fly out to Missouri, trust me, they're getting paid for that travel time. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Bye, guys.